All right, everybody, this is truly a make or break week. Let me whiteboard this out so you guys can understand how kind of crucial this is. I'm going to show you guys, and if you guys are members, you guys know where to access this. We have created a chart that shows the estimated gains for 2025. This is based on an 11-year cycle, and it is based on a 4-year cycle of exactly what Bitcoin has done. If you guys understand what is happening right now, and I show this in white, what price is doing, price is not following the 2021 and 17 average cycles, and it is not following the past 11-year cycles that we've seen on Bitcoin. Okay, we are literally flatlined. The thing is that tomorrow in the future forecast, I'm going to give you guys another free TradingView chart. This last Tuesday, I'll show you how to access this in a second. I gave you guys a TradingView chart so you guys can watch when altcoin season starts with the two best metrics that we've got, okay? I want to give you another chart. I'm loading you guys up right now because I don't want you to miss this. Here's the deal though, is that let's just say this is the chart here. There's an indicator we're going to look at tomorrow that basically says we are crossing over from the bottom and we're moving back up with some momentum. Okay, if this momentum here actually gets broken and this is a false breakout and goes back to the downside, we could be entering what's called capitulation. Okay, capitulation is literally where retail traders, and I would actually say some probably bigger whales, they literally throw up the white flag. It's a term used in war where it's like, we're done. We've been waiting long enough for cryptocurrency to go up and we're sick and tired of this. I'm done because I know for a fact we're going to crash now back down, okay? And that is something I am concerned about this week. However, from a historical point of view, this is actually supposed to be a bullish week. So what do? That's where we have to get into risk management this week. Okay, you guys saw this here. Now let me explain this to you on the charts. What's happening here is in this descending channel, yes, it's usually bullish because it's kind of like a very sloppy bull flag. We can see here with an impulse move up and a bull flag to the downside or kind of a sideways channel. But what we're getting is every time the market moves back up, the market makers are giving you guys just enough hope on green candles to not close your positions long. And then they're dropping it back down. The just enough hope you see right here is causing people to leverage. And that leverage, this little bit of hope right here, people are stacking up their long positions, 5, 10, 20, 30, 50, 100x positions, and the market makers are liquidating it down to the bottom side. Look at this morning. We've taken out liquidity all the way down to about 94,600. There is still liquidity down here at 93,000. So to come all the way down to 93,000 is not unlikely in the next possible few days. In fact, the low here of liquidity sits at 91,461. So I do believe there is another liquidation event that's probably going to take us down to about 93,000. But the problem with this is a lot of retail traders, if we break this green zone right here and we break the support here, which is at 91.1, and we go down here below this, anything below 89,000, it breaks structure. And this is where I feel like you could see retail traders just panic to the downside. All right. Last Friday, because today is Monday, what I ended up talking to you guys about here is what is happening behind the scenes. If you're brand new to cryptocurrency, I want to advise you to stop looking at candles for a second. If you understand what's happening behind the scenes, I actually showed you guys how whales are accumulating a massive amount of Ethereum. Okay, follow this because this is actually pretty exciting. If you know what Ethereum is the parent of altcoins. So if we see appreciation happening right now of Ethereum in the market, do you think there is a narrative of, okay guys, all the big whales, let's accumulate Ethereum just so we can lose our positions so the market can crash straight back down? I don't think so. So this is why I want to show you guys tomorrow. I'm going to give you a chart so you can watch this live on TradingView of why I think this is just a consolidating period before another 52% move up from where we're currently at. And I'll prove that to you guys with data, okay? And why what we're seeing right now is a complete shakeout of retail traders. And this does not follow a Wyckoff distribution method. If you guys pull up the Wyckoff distribution, it doesn't follow it. It's already broken, so I'm kind of tired of seeing that online. What I believe is happening here is we are just getting retail traders to be bored enough so they pull the slot machine handle again and they say, all right, I'm bored. I need something to happen in my life. I don't have patience. So they leverage up, because I can tell you guys that's what's happening over here. Every time we go sideways, retail traders are just leveraging up. They're sick and tired. They need some type of dopamine in their life emotionally to get excited. I'm not kidding. That's literally what happens here. And so they're leveraging, but whales are just patient. They're far more patient. Guys, Money in the market shifts from the impatient to the patient. The patient are the ones that will make money. The impatient won't make money. We've been holding positions for about a year and a half now in our portfolio, okay? Let's give you guys a quick update on this, and then I will kind of wrap it up here and show you guys how to access this. Basically, this morning, we are sitting at, I think it was 808,000 is what I saw there. 808,000, so we're down for the day, because we were down $60,000 for the day. And our ledger account is probably down even more than that, and I'll show that to you guys really quickly as we pop this up here. So 60,000, and let's see if we can get our update on this. So we are down $94,000 in a single day, but I'm not selling. All I have been doing lately is buying, because when I show you guys behind the scenes what's happening, you guys watch the last future forecast on Friday, we can see massive accumulation. But what are you going to do coming up here? What's the risk management strategy if the bottom falls out? Do you have a plan? We have a plan. Okay. This is what's called the future forecast. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to join. This is where I coach about 1,400 families and individuals on what I'm doing with my portfolio and how we're going to successfully trade the market. February 21st is one you guys should be watching, and this is a free chart that everyone can have to time the alt season, where I do believe is the most money is to be made is in alt season, and it's actually in altcoins coming up here very shortly. Okay, guys, there's a link in the description, 25% off. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. We do need to see a turnaround this week, or we are starting to see a cycle be broken from 11 years of historical data. And I'll give you guys the link to actually access that chart of the historical data every single day in a downloadable PDF, so you guys can watch exactly what's expected to happen, where the lows are expected, where the spikes are expected on an exactly a day basis. Okay. All right, guys, hang in there. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Snag a membership. This will be worth it. I'll coach you guys through what I'm doing, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Bye, guys.